Well, here's another tip. Every once in a while, after 4 or 5 times, you might want to clean this front here. And I don't want to take this off. It takes too much to take that off. But I can see that there's hair in there. And after a while, this hair is going to get more. See right there? Look at all that. It's like, how do you get that out of there? I don't want that sucking up in there or preventing it from cleaning properly, okay? So I could take my little screwdriver or my sheetrock saw. Get my sheetrock saw in that slot and pull this carpet hair out of there. Let's try it with the little screwdriver. This is a little bit more tricky, but I can get it with that. I like to use the sheetrock saw because I can grab it easier. Okay, but you can get it, and I like to kind of keep that clean. There, that looks better. What do you think about that? Okay, so keep your carpet cleaner clean. Here's the stuff I pulled out of there. Keep it clean. Keep your brushes clean. So I got most of that hair out of there. And like I say, I could take a wire brush in there and actually get it cleaner yet. But yeah, see, can you see if you get too much of this carpet stuff all stuck around each one of these little bristles, then it's going to get clogged here and it's going to get stopped up, so that when you go to clean your carpets, it's just going to sit there and it's going to take you longer. You're not going to get your carpets as clean. I had a Hoover carpet cleaner, steam cleaner like this before, and every year, like I say, every year, every couple years, they always upgrade them. And this is like the 3rd one that I've had, 4th one probably, in the past 10 years. Mind you, I don't buy one every year, but every time I go to Home Depot to look at them, it seems like they've changed them. They've always got this better thought process idea, and all this stuff was stuck around here, and I didn't know it on the carpet cleaner I was using. And then after a while, it wouldn't go anymore, and it was so clogged up, it eventually caused something else to happen, because I tried to clean all this stuff out of there, and it still wasn't going around. I messed with it and messed with it and messed with it, and finally I said, phooey on this, I'll go buy another one, which I did. And now I just make sure to keep this stuff clean. Okay? As anything, you keep your machines clean and stuff, and they're gonna do you good. Oh, look at that. See, just by tipping that upside down, I've got some more water here, so I'll clean that up. Okay. Keep your stuff in good working order. And as a matter of fact, I just did some work outside in the backyard, and I don't know if you've seen that, if you've seen those videos, but I got all done, and I've got some of my tools I've got to clean. In fact, I used this screwdriver. It's got some mud on it, and I've got a hammer that's got mud on it, and a pry bar, a big huge pry bar that I pried some rocks out downstairs. And I'm gonna now I didn't do that last night because I was beat. My my knee pad, my vinyl covered knee pad is all dirty, and so now I'm gonna go clean all that stuff and have it ready for my next project. I don't like to leave my stuff like that because it'll get rusty, it'll be dirty for next time I bring it in. And if I use my knee pad inside the house or something, and now I've got all that crusty dirt on there and grimy stuff. So just keep your stuff clean and all maintained, okay? All right, that's enough for this particular video. Hey, glad you joined me, and I'll see you next time.